Is the real estate market slowing down? Should I buy a house? Should I sell a house? Well, today we're going to answer a few questions about the real estate market in San Diego for the first half of 2019. I'm Walter Lepe, CEO of Lepe Tendwell Properties, top 1% realtor in San Diego County. So I get this question all the time. A lot of people are doubtful about the market and things of that nature. We're going to break it down. We're going to see what's going on two different metrics. So the first is 2018. There was 11,474 homes that sold. In 2019, this year, there's 10,978. So it's a slowdown, right? 500 less homes sold between first half of last year and first half of this year. Days on market averaged 30 days last year, this year 35. So it's a slowdown, so it's taking a little bit longer for homes to sell. And then the median price home last year was 630, this year 640, so I actually went up as far as the median. That's what's going on with the actual numbers. Now we're going to take a look at another slide that we have here. Well, first and foremost, the top 10 sales in San Diego. So the top 10 range from 7.5 million to 10.7 million. So when you hear about houses selling for like $5 million, $10 million and all these things, it's not just like in other parts of the country or other parts of the world. There's actually houses in San Diego that sell for that much. The next thing that we want to check out to have a better idea is the sell to list price ratio. What that means is home sellers list their home for, let's say, 100% of their asking price. They're selling for almost 98% of their asking price. That means that home sellers are in a really good market. So whatever they list their home for, if they list it for $500,000, then it's going to sell for 98% of that, almost. So almost for the full $500,000. The other thing that we need to check out is the month supply of homes, 2.6 months supply. What that means is, well, I'll give you the average first. The average in a regular market, not in a seller's market, not a buyer's market, is 6 months supply. So that means that we're undersupplied when it comes to the amount of homes that we need to supply all the people in San Diego. So if no new home sellers go to market, that means after 2.6 months, there isn't any more inventory, no more homes for sale. If not, one new home goes on the market for sale, which is pretty interesting to kind of see. So when you look at the supply of home, the inventory, which is negative supply, and then you look at the interest rates, which are about 3.5%, which is really, really good for a buyer. Then those two things push up price. I mean, there's no other way around it except low interest rate, not enough homes on the market. That's going to push up the value. So there's a lot of people on the market out there that are in the market and not in the market to buy real estate, and they're just saying, hey, look at, the market's going to crash, there's a slowdown, all these things. But if you look at the actual economics of the thing, not enough homes, not enough supply, and then you look at the interest rates, which are super low, it's going to automatically push prices up. So that's what's going on the first half of 2019. Just wanted to give you a market update. If you have any questions or if you want a free market evaluation of your home, please reach out to us. We'll give you one for free. We'll tell you what you should do, what you shouldn't do in order to increase the value of your home before putting it on the market. It's absolutely free and it obligates you to nothing.